Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shravanti. Today I will teach you 10 basic hand embroidery stitches for beginner, which is easy and fun. Keep on practicing with me. Let's start. The running stitch offers a quick way to outline a design. It is very easy and simple method. Basting is an important technique to learn. Basting is simple sewing a loose stitch that is meant to temporary stitch, which is easily making and easy to remove. Cross stitch is form of counted thread embroidery in which egg-shaped stitches. Cross stitch is one of the easiest and popular forms of hand embroidery to learn. The back stitch is great when you need a solid line, like when you are creating outlines or hand embroidered letters. Stem stitch is nice option for anything that needs to curve. The split stitch creates a solid line, but its breadth structure is all its own. This stitch is another good option for text and outline, but also works well for filling in design. Chain stitch is the basic and simple embroidery technique in which a series of loop stitches form a chain family. Chain stitch is one of the oldest known stitches that has been used widely among various cultures from Asia to Europe. Fly stitch. This is an easy stitch. It looks beautiful. It looks like U or V. Horizontal or vertical rows of fly stitch can be done to create various effects. The blanket stitch is a stitch used to enforce the edge of thick materials. This stitch is simple and easy and a beauty. This is the basic herringbone stitch method. Hope you like this video. Please like and share my video. Make sure you subscribe us and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Next Tuesday I will come with another interesting video. Now bye friends and take care.